The next Gyanvapi hearing is on Monday. That's the big breaking news that's coming in. So for now, the matter appears to have been adjourned. But on Monday, just about 4 days from now, the next hearing in the Varanasi court on the Gyanvapi case will be heard on Monday. We are trying to also await if there is any specific observation that has come from the court today. But the matter is primarily about the maintainability of the plea by the Hindu side, and this regarding the Gyanvapi premises and how the court will proceed the matter further, whether this will be a day-to-day hearing or not. All of that the court has heard today. So a hearing that went on for about 2 hours, Anisha. For now, the arguments have concluded is what we are being told, and that next hearing is scheduled for about 30th May. So any update that is possible, that whether the maintainability aspect was mentioned by the court today, or that also will continue to be discussed on 30th of May, Monday? Any specific details are you picking up on that?
Well, Pooja, we're still awaiting confirmation of what exactly has been said in the court, and because remember this issue of maintainability is not a very simple one to argue. As we've been discussing, the maintainability aspect means whether this case can go on at all or not. And with both sides remaining, sticking to their stances, with the Hindu side saying that yes, it is maintainable even under the 1991 Places of Worship Act, while the Muslim side is saying that no, it is not maintainable because of the 1991 Places of Worship Act. There will have to be very, very nuanced arguments on all parts of this entire issue. But of course, now the hearing adjourned to 30th of May. Partly the Muslim side arguments have been conducted, partly of course they will continue. Both sides have been asked by the judge to conclude these arguments. But at the moment we do know that today's arguments were primarily by the Muslim side. The Hindu side is yet to put its arguments forward. So we need to remember that this is not something that will be a very quick end to this litigation. This litigation is going to take quite some time, first on the issue of maintainability, then whatever happens thereafter, we'll have to see. If the court says that it is maintainable, then of course the Muslim side is likely to go to the High Court to challenge that, while the Hindu side will ask for a hearing on the admissibility of the survey that was conducted. If the court says it is not maintainable, then it is the Hindu side which will then go to the High Court. So a lot remains so far, but for now the hearing has been adjourned to Monday.